Hi guys, here is Aurelian, Systemeio founder, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can share a complete sales funnel with someone. So it's actually very simple. You just have to go to funnels and then you have this link here that allows you to share a whole sales funnel. So the cool thing is actually this is an affiliate link. So if someone clicks on the link and has a Systemeio account, then it will create a copy of this complete sales funnel, so all the pages inside this sales funnel. And if this person doesn't have a Systemeio account yet, it will ask this person for her email address so she can create a Systemeio account for free. And right after creating her Systemeio account, she will have also a copy of your sales funnel. So it's pretty cool. And as I said, again, this is an affiliate link. So if the person then purchases Systemeio, you will get commissions for all the payments for her subscription. So it's pretty cool. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the Facebook group. And if you want to try Systemeio to build your online business, just click the link below the video to try Systemeio for free for 14 days.